Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to withdraw money from Sweatcoin wallet. In order to do this, you first have to launch your Sweatcoin mobile application and then you will have to come in your Sweat wallet. You can even download and install separate Sweatcoin wallet mobile application in your device, and then you just have to simply log in into your account. Now once you're successfully logged in, on the home page you are going to see this transfer tab. So simply need to tap on transfer and then you need to select your Sweatcoin. Once done, you will be redirected on this page where you will be asked to provide a username or the wallet address in which you want to transfer your money from Sweatcoin wallet to another wallet. Now over here you can either enter the username of your wallet or you can even paste the address from any other wallet. Here it is also showing you a note that only send tokens to near wallet addresses, otherwise you may lose the assets. So over here you need to enter or paste the address. So for this video I'm going to use Trust Wallet in order to find the address. So you will have to launch Trust Wallet and then in the search bar you will have to search for Sweat. Now once you have found Sweat, you will have to select the Sweatcoin on Ethereum chain, and here you will have to select receive. Here you are going to see this address, so you need to copy this address. Then you need to come to your Sweatcoin wallet and then you need to paste that address. After that it will take some time and it will show you further steps. So you will have to tap on the transfer tab and then you need to enter the amount of Sweatcoin that you want to withdraw. After entering the amount, you just have to tap on the transfer button on the next page, and this way you will be able to easily withdraw your coins from Sweatcoin wallet. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.